Hey everybody, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and this weekend in the shop I thought I'd try something kind of unique. We're going to do a set of alternating diamonds as it goes down the length of a bedpost. Now today we're working on a 12-inch section just to prove out the concept. Let's go to work, we'll show you what we came up with. The first step is turning the part round. We've mounted a ring onto the end of our material and put that into the 4-jaw chuck that comes with every Maverick CNC machine. Now you'll notice as we're turning round that the part's going to go from the front to the back and then back to the front. And this is because Conversational Cam Pro optimizes the tool path and allows it to go from front to back and then back to front. Whereas Conversational Cam Essentials goes from front to back, lifts up and comes back and goes front to back again. Another good reason to grab CCam Pro. Step 2 in the process is our roughing tool pass. That's going to use a 1/2 inch end mill. This is going to have a cutting length of about 1.25 inches long, just to make sure that I have a good part coming off of here and that I don't run into the part with the collet on my bit. When we finish with the roughing pass, step 3 is using a tapered ball end mill to carve out the finished design. Now you're going to notice it goes down and back along the part, and it's a little slow, so we thought we'd speed up the video. Now that the design is complete, you can see the part has come to life. This is the best part about CNC. The thing that I enjoy the most is watching my designs come from art all the way to part. Well guys, there you have it. Some diamonds. I've set my diamonds through a spindle. If you have any questions about the Maverick machinery or how this was designed, give us a quick phone call. It's 800-279-4570. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thanks so much. We'll see you guys in the next one.